Alchemy, motivation, is an activating experience designed to ignite inspiration, focus, and forward movement. In this class, we'll connect with 6 energizing crystals that support creativity, momentum, and clarity. Azurite, bumblebee jasper, carnelian, camerite, orange calcite, and sodalite. You'll receive the Bumblebee Jasper Ritual, a powerful practice for activating courage, confidence, and inspired action. We'll also connect with 3 essential oils that awaken focus and motivation: cypress, rosemary, and sweetgrass. You'll step into your role as a crystal alchemist, learning how to work with crystals as tools for change and transformation. We'll explore romantic blending with essential oils and how scents support motivation, clarity, and creative flow. You'll also connect with 3 herbal allies: blue butterfly pea, orange, and peppermint. Together, we'll explore the moon cycles and how they influence us each month. Learn about what truly motivates you on an energetic level. Find out how to use affirmations to support focus, confidence, and momentum. When motivation is aligned with intention, inspired action follows. My name is Vialet B Rayne, and I would love to invite you to join me for Crystal Alchemy in person in South Denver or online from anywhere, anytime.